Hey, Greg here with CloudTruth. Want to see something cool? Check out our new AI-powered Secrets and Configuration Management Copilot. Here's why this is important. You can pay down your config tech debt in one command. Yes, really. Many teams have inadvertently accumulated tech debt related to managing their parameters, secrets, certificates, and templates. This type of debt undermines important goals to reduce shipping time and effort, make environments more secure, and incur fewer incidents. Our new Configured Secrets Copilot leverages LLMs and RAG and gives you an omniscient capability across all your config data with low effort. This is so much more than copying and pasting from ChatGPT, and your data is kept private and never used to train public models. If you haven't heard about CloudTruth, we're the first purpose-built solution to focus on mission-critical configuration and secrets data. You know, all the thousands of parameters, secrets, certificates, and templates that are load-bearing for your infrastructure and applications. And why does CloudTruth exist? Because statistically, a misconfiguration is more likely to cause an outage or breach than any other type of defect. Don't put revenue and reputation at risk with poorly managed config and secrets. This is our sole mission. Eliminate the toil around secrets and certs management. Here's a quick demo of CloudTruth with the new Config Copilot in action. Give me 3 minutes and I'll show you how CloudTruth plus the Config Copilot leverages the vast knowledge in LLMs to assist the security team by analyzing parameters and highlighting potentially insecure configurations without them needing in-depth knowledge of all the environments, tools, and settings used in your deployments. Help your DevOps team quickly and effectively collect configuration information and organize it to save time and effort. Guide developers in implementing and using CloudTruth to detect and extract parameters and config data from their source code. And import your existing config files and secrets and automatically populate CloudTruth projects, parameter variables, and templates. First up, let's start with a simple example and use the Copilot to generate an Nginx config file. I've already created the project in CloudTruth, but it has no config data yet. I'll use the AI to add the common variables for a secure configuration and then instruct the AI to create a template. Here's the Copilot screen, and I'll enter the prompt, create a comprehensive Nginx config file. The Copilot responds with a best practices based configuration. You can fine-tune with additional prompts, but for this example, accept the initial response. Next, I'll instruct the Copilot to create the parameter variables in CloudTruth. Here we go, waiting for 100%. The result includes description and default values that can be customized later for each environment, such as dev, staging, and production. I'm saving hours of manual work to get the data just right for secure Nginx-based configuration. Finally, I'll ask the AI to create a parameterized template referencing the variables that were just created. This template can now be fetched with our CLI, Terraform provider, Kubernetes operator, or other plugins. I just showed you how to go from an empty new project to a complete setup in 30 seconds with just 2 commands. Pretty cool, right? Okay, we're almost done. So let's wrap up with a more complex scenario. I will ask the Copilot to create a new CloudTruth project, generate all the parameters from some copied HCL, and validate the resulting template for security vulnerabilities. I'm instructing the AI to create a project for Terraform to configure the S3 bucket, and I'll copy in HCL code from another file and have the AI create parameters and a template from the code. I can also upload or drag and drop a file onto the UI for the same effect. You can even drag a screenshot of code or a data structure and we'll parse it. Now I'm asking the Copilot to create a TFRs template from the newly created parameters. We're almost done. Now finally, let's ask for a security assessment against best practices and correct any mistakes. The AI found some security concerns. It's going to give me a summary right here. And then recommendations, and then prompt me to correct and implement the recommendations, which I'm going to say yes. And now it's updated the template, implemented the suggested changes, and view the summary of changes made. Now all my S3 config data is easily managed across multiple environments, along with a parameterized template for easy injection to Terraform. I'm still blown away with interacting with the Copilot and harnessing what the AI knows about best practices and turning that knowledge into saving hours of time by not having to fiddle with config and secret management grunt work. We're so excited about how easy this innovation makes it for teams to pay down tech debt and secure their configurations faster. Sign up for a free account and let us know what you think.